How to grow your YouTube channel without shorts. So many YouTubers today believe that the only way to grow is by posting shorts. And yes, shorts can help, but they are not the only path to success. In fact, you can still grow your YouTube channel completely without using shorts at all. Okay, if you love making videos like long form videos, or if shorts simply don't fit your lifestyle, don't worry, you can still absolutely succeed. Let me explain how. First, let's talk about why people feel stuck. Shorts blow up fast and they give the illusion of overnight growth. Boom. Okay. But many of those subscribers don't stick around. They might follow you for a funny clip that you posted or a quick trend. But then when you post or upload a 10-minute video, like I normally do, they don't watch at all. Okay. That's why so many small creators get discouraged. The good news is long form videos still dominate YouTube. The platform rewards watch time, and watch time comes mostly with longer videos. So you might ask, so how do I grow then without the shorts? Here's the answer. Okay. So the first key is to know your audience. Ask yourself this question: who am I making these videos for? So who are you making videos for? Do you know your audience? What do they want to learn, feel, or what do they want to experience? So learn, feel, and experience. If you know the viewer's problem and solve it in your videos, literally every video that you make, it's a problem solving, then you don't need shorts to pull them in. People will search for your content for the solution to their problem, and they stick with you because they know you're going to come with the right information. The second key is consistency. If you post one video this week, disappear for 3 weeks because life can be busy, life happens sometimes, and then you upload again after 3 weeks, YouTube has no reason to recommend you. But if you show up regularly, whether that's once a week, twice a week, or whatever schedule you can maintain, then your viewers begin to trust you. It's just like going to work. You've got to turn up. You can't be calling sick every day. The bosses will not trust you and your money will be low. So the algorithm also learns that you are active, and videos, it will keep like basically testing your videos with new people. Yeah. So thirdly, you must focus on titles and thumbnails. Think of your video as a book, a beautiful book. Okay. There are lots of books on the shelf that you've got lots of books. If the cover of that book or any books on there is boring, nobody will pick it up. Your title and your thumbnail are the cover of your video. That's your package. Spend time making them clear and bold. Okay, bold and curiosity driven. A good title promises value. A good thumbnail makes people want to click, even if your content is excellent. If nobody clicks, nobody will watch. And to keep people watching, make sure you watch the video, popping as a card at the top. Okay, how to raise your retention. So next, let's talk about the structure. To grow with a long form content, you need to keep people watching. Retention. Okay, that means you can't waste the first minute with a long intro. Hi, my name is Tendai, or rambling. Just hook the viewer straight away quickly. Tell them what they will get from your video, then deliver. Okay, make sure you deliver. Break your video into clear sections so the audience feel progress as they watch. Okay, it's easy to understand. And always pay attention to pacing. Keep it moving. Okay, Not too much filler words. Just keep it moving. Keep delivering important information. Keep them coming. Another important factor is connection. Long form videos allow you to build a deeper relationship with your audience. Share your personal stories, okay, with privacy in mind. Whatever you want to share, share it. Your experiences and your journey, share with them. When viewers feel connected to you, and you're referring to them in the video, they will come back definitely, not just for the information that you're giving him, but for just for you as a person. Shorts really give you that depth. You don't have time at all to do that with shorts. Long videos are where growth happens. Now, let's look at the content ideas without shorts. You need to make videos that can stand on their own for months or even years. These are called evergreen videos. Okay? You know what that means? Yeah, they will be staged for forever. So things like tutorials, guides, explanations, and problem-solving content last longer than trendy shorts. For example, a video titled "How to Fix Low Watch Time" on YouTube will still be useful a year from now, while a trending dance or meme will be forgotten. Okay, evergreen videos are your foundation. So playlists also become powerful. When you focus on long form, group your videos into themes so viewers can easily watch one after the other. They will literally be stuck in your playlist because they are learning things from it. And mind you, it's evergreen content. So playlists increase watch time, and YouTube notices when someone spends more time on your channel. It signals that your content is valuable. One more big tip, okay? Don't just upload and hope or pray. Study your analytics in YouTube Studio. There's no video that I haven't mentioned this. Go and download YouTube Studio. Study your analytics. Look at which videos keep people watching. See where viewers drop off. If most of your audience leaves after 2 minutes when the video starts, ask yourself why. Was the intro too slow? Was the video not delivering on the promise that you made, on the thumbnail? Yeah. Every long form creator must learn from their analytics to keep improving. Monetization is also worth mentioning. Growing with long form videos is actually more stable for income. Shorts pay very little, peanuts, compared to long form ads. Yeah, the ads you're gonna get on a long form video, they pay you better than a short. Okay, if your goal is to make money, which I think it is from YouTube, you're self-employed. You are not a creator, just a creator. You are a creative, self-employed person. Okay, you start building your channel with long form videos. That's a smarter path. Very smart, if you ask me. Yeah, let's recap the key points. So you don't need shorts to grow. Long form is the king. Yeah, should I repeat it? You don't need shorts to grow. Long form is still king. Yes. Focus on your audience problem and solve them. Every video you post out there, it's not just numbers. Let it be helpful to someone. Solve problems. Stay consistent with uploads. Make clickable titles and thumbnails. Yeah, they've got to be bold and clear, not cluttered. Put two phrases, 2 or 3, maximum 3 words on the thumbnail, right? Hook viewers quickly and keep the video moving. So watch your pacing. Build connection by sharing yourself. Also create evergreen content that lasts forever, for days, months, years. Yes, use playlist to increase watch time, which is why we are here. The more watch time you have, the better money in the bank. Okay, so be wise. Learn from your analytics and improve. Remember, long form videos gives you stronger monetization. If any words you have not understood anything or remember everything that I said, just remember this part, please. Long form is king. If you commit to these steps, your channel can grow without ever touching shorts. Don't feel pressured to chase trends. Focus on building value, trust, and connection. That is the real secret to long-term YouTube success. Make sure you watch this video here, how to keep people retained on your videos. Yes, so they can watch longer. So if you've been worrying that you can't grow because you don't make shorts, let this be a reminder. You can. Long form is powerful. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep moving. Okay, keep improving. Every video you make should be better than the last one. All right, your audience will find you and your channel will grow. Be sure to watch this video, how to keep people watching your videos longer.